up, y'all? So right now, I don't know if that's supposed to be like that. So right now, I'm assembling my son's drawing table I just got earlier today. No, yesterday afternoon. I was too sleepy y'all to do it. So I'm not gonna be on here for long. What made me get up and do it today, because I wasn't gonna do it till like Sunday. What made me get up and do it today? I see some encouraging videos. As I'm trying to take a little cat nap on this good, beautiful Friday. The only way, and the encouraging words was, the only way to eat an elephant is one bite at a time. So, just made me want to get up and just keep going. Not saying like in a sense I wasn't trying to do my kids' stuff I need to do where I can't go seek help or get somebody to help me, but I just felt like I need to push myself. I don't care about nobody being the light inside my damn room. I want to be the light inside my room. So this makes me happy when I do stuff like this. To be honest, I never was the bodybuilder type mom, I swear. I always used to just like call somebody and be like, somebody come rescue me, right? Now, I'm like, no, I got it. I'll figure it out, because if y'all want something done, y'all gotta do it your own self. I'm telling y'all, people ain't gonna look out for you like you think they is, unless they really locked in with you. But anyways, y'all just come on here and just kick it with y'all for a moment. This video not gonna be long either, because these videos is for like real builders. I'm not a real builder. Hope I get these pieces in here right. I'm going by the book, y'all. I'm not just winging it. I got some bookshelves to do as well. They more easier. This one is a little bit of a hard challenge, but it's okay. One way to eat an elephant is one bite at a time, right? Right. Okay, so the next step. I know just see what piece that is. That's G. You know I'm a G. I'm a G. So let's see where G is. I like the fact these go by like numbers. I mean, I'm slow right now. I'm acting real slow. I like the fact that like this go by letters. Because I don't, for one, I'm not lost. You know what I'm saying? So pretty much it's easy. Easy peasy. By going by letters is so easy. Or numbers, whatever it'll be, so it's easy, y'all. Why does not align with? Hold on, I'm trying to talk at the same time as we doing this, and it's acting a little wretched. Okay, let's see what's going on. Cause what I gotta do like a whole split, okay? Because you gotta make sure all this makes sense. But anyways, y'all, it's not that hard. I thought it was, but it was my mental. It was like my mental, like, you can't do it. Them demons in there be like, you can't do it. And I can do it, period. Okay, don't start trying to lock up on me. Trying to make sure the math is mathing, okay? All right. I'm gonna disinfect his. His table once I'm all done doing all of this. I need this to be a little looser. See this down. So I'm making progress, y'all. I was about to give up, but I gotta go get the kids in a few minutes. And I'm around the corner from the school, so I can really go here at the last minute. They're gonna be all right. They good. To say that is because, y'all, that school line be wrapped around the whole corner now. They got a line going on at the school. So either I come early or I come late. And if I come at this time, y'all, guess what? By 3:15, I'll be in the line. I don't leave until about 3:50. So it's like, I might as well come at 3:50. And that part. So I don't gotta get in no line or none of that. Hello. I'm about to do all that. So since I'm busy right now doing something that's, you know, worth being busy about, busy for, my kids is always on the top of the list, but they in good hands right now. Plus, they don't even allow us, because we got like an app that we had to download to go pick up our kids. So it's like we gotta wait till they, y'all, it's a lot. We gotta do a lot now. So I'm good. I only got a few pieces left anyway. I'm gonna go get the kids come back, because Maya, she started dance. Gritty started soccer, so I'm a soccer and dance mom. So that being said, y'all gonna be watching all of that too. So bear with me, y'all. If the content come in slow, just know we working on it. Y'all, it was easier than what I thought, to be honest, once I get the pictures, because I'm a little sleepy still. No, I ain't gonna even lie to y'all, I'm a little sleepy. I didn't really get a good nap in earlier. I was real hungry. I didn't want to eat, but my body was like, I'm hungry. I'm not gonna go to bed till I get something in my system. So I had to get my butt up and eat something. So I'm just a little bit sleepy. So tomorrow will be well rejuvenated, and I'll be ready for anything then. But let's see. This is gonna be just a daily vlog, because I'm gonna show y'all everything that we about to do today. Well, what I got to do and what me and the kids got to do, whatever. Because Maya started dance practice today, so I'm going to squeeze that in. So we ain't going to get this out to you guys until probably tomorrow night. What's today? Friday, probably Sunday, y'all get this video. But don't worry about it. I'm still going to be doing shorts, because I know y'all like to watch our shorts, and we still going to be making more content. And y'all going to get double uploads. If y'all don't see us the day after, I mean, that, like the night of the video, y'all going to see us the next night or whatever. But y'all gonna get this probably Sunday, meaning y'all can probably get a double upload. We're just getting used to it, y'all. We're just getting used to the flow, everything. Did I screw this on wrong? This was supposed to go that way, see? Because, hold on. Oh, the legs both supposed to go inward. I hate building stuff upside down. And them legs are out. It's okay, y'all. Thank God there's only some screws I can just unscrew. It's not like I got a hammer or nothing deep. Oh, shit, I did the wrong screw. I want to surprise my son at least when he come home. I gotta decorate the room, so when I turn back on the camera, y'all gonna see. I just saw the camera cut off, y'all. Like when I come back on, y'all gonna see the camera. Y'all gonna see his room finished. It's already gonna be done, and it's gonna be in the same day, of course. It's a daily vlog. Some days I have so much to do, y'all. So just imagine, like how do we should do it? I don't know, y'all. I just do it. So y'all gonna see my butt hanging out. You see that in the back? Y'all can't tell for real, but I could. Well, my butt ain't really hanging out. My butt is kind of hitting the floor, but it seems like my back is hanging out. behind that. But anyways, once I turn back on the camera, y'all gonna see the finishing product. I'm on a small time limit. So let me get to getting y'all. So when I turn back on the camera, y'all will be seeing things. So I'll be back, y'all. When y'all come back, y'all see everything. Hey, you guys. So I decided to pick up the camera. The kids are eating. We are eating. I'm all done with his table. Now I just gotta do the bookshelves, which I'm gonna do them when I drop my off. I'll drop her off to go practice, to dance practice, and then I'm gonna come home and do the bookshelves. So I'm at the end of this vlog. And then I was gonna see this on the next the next video. Let me finish chewing first. I'm so rude. Y'all say hi. Maya, Grady. Say hi, Grady. So yeah, you guys. I'm about to show y'all the table. I'm going to show you the table. Here's the drawing table. There go my treadmill right there. I'm so geeky. I'm freaky. I'm playing, I'm just geeky. I ain't freaky. I got some bookshelves to build, and then I got I like Mom the Builder at this point. Y'all call me Mom the Builder. Come on in. The gritty room. Look at that boy. Okay. I did my big one. His bed I made up, but excuse that. But anyway. Look. And then he also got the old school desk to do homework. That's pretty much it. He got a little bean bag. But see, I'm gonna put his bookshelf behind this table. Like, you know where that crate at right there? I'm gonna move that crate of toys. I'm gonna put the bookshelf back there. You'll have all his books on there. So anyway, you guys, I'm tired. Not sleepy, but I'm more so like tired of holding his phone, which I do got some tripods. Let me show y'all. Hold on, because I gotta take this one downstairs. I love the fact I did this table so beautiful. Y'all, I'm doing the most. I got some tripods. I'm gonna show y'all in my shorts. Go to my shorts right now. Ooh, excuse me, and go check them out. And I'll see y'all guys in another video, okay? See y'all later.